Hi guys, welcome back to DD Projects channel. So in the last video, I've taught you how to create the soccer game by using JavaScript code in code.org. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create Trex game by using JavaScript code in the same web editor called code.org. So today I'm gonna create in front of you. So today's output will be like this. So if you press space, it jumps. So if you just start okay, so today's output will be like this. So let us start coding. So first we have to initiate the game states. So let us do that. And then we have to end. So it should be 0, and then you have to create a variable called game state play. The next thing is to create the Trex variable. So Trex, it should be 200, but and the y-axis should be 380, width 20, and the height it should be 50. So let us close the round brackets and move to the next line. So let us give the animation to the Trex. So I have already the Trex animation. So next thing is to set the collider for the Trex. Trex dot set collider. Okay, it should be in circle, comma 0, comma 0, comma 30. And the next line is to scale the Trex. Trex dot scale 0.5, and the next thing is to give position for the Trex. Trex dot x is equals to 0.5, and the next thing is to create a ground. var ground. Okay, ground is equals to create sprite 200, 380, 400, I think 20, comma 50. And the next thing is to say, oh sorry guys, it should be of 400. So 400, comma 20, and next thing is to set the animation for the ground dot set animation. So we have already the animation, so the file name is ground2. Okay, we'll close this and come to next line. So the next line is to give the position for the ground dot x is equals to ground dot width width. Okay, /2 semicolon, and the next thing is to create invisible ground. Okay, invisible ground to support the Trex. Invisible ground is equals to create sprite. So invisible ground is 200, comma 385, comma 400, comma 5. So let us close the round bracket, semicolon, and the next line is to make the invisible ground visible false. Invisible ground dot visible, so visible is equals to false, lse false, and the next line is to create the obstacles group. So var obstacles group create group. So let us create a group, and the group, so that's it. So the next line is to create the var clouds group. So clouds group is equals to create group, and the next thing is to place game over and restart icon on the screen. So let us create it, game over. So we are game over create sprites. So should be 200 comma 300, and the next is to create the restart. var restart is equals to create sprites. So let us create this sprite for 200 comma 340. So let us close the round brackets and semicolon, come to next line. Now let us scale the game over. So game over dot scale is equals to 0.5, and the next line is to give the animation for the restart. So restart dot set animation. So the animation is restart, so the file name is restart, so we have already that. So the next line is to give the position for the restart. Scale is equals to 0.5, and the next line is to make the game over and restart button visibility false. Is equals to false, lsc false, and the restart so restart dot visible is equals to false. So now is to set the text for the all those things. So this is a text font style. We are giving the text font style. So the next is to tell whether the text should be uh, bold or light. So we have to give it bold. So all it should be in the caps. So the next thing is to create the count. var count is equals to 0, and the next you have to create the function draw. Function draw. Okay, open round brackets and then curly brackets. So come back, curly brackets. So in the middle we have to code it. So we have to set the background. So the background it should be in white. So it should be white. Okay, let us close it. And the next line, it should we have to display the score. So text score, okay, score. So we have to write it in the double quotations. So score uh, and double quotations plus, so we are using string concatenation. In the next line we have to make the text visible. So console dot log game state, so game state, and the next we have to create one more if condition. So if count greater than symbol 0 space and count percent 100 is equal to 0 and open the, so in the middle we have to press enter. Okay, so this thing for this, so guys, here the if condition has to come. So if condition is if, okay, if the game state is in play, so if the game state is in play, so we have to tell that ground should move. So we have to give the velocity for the ground. So velocity x, okay, velocity x is equals to minus open curly bracket 6 plus 3 into count, okay, count /100, and the next line scoring, okay, count dot, so count is equals to count plus math dot round world world dot frame, actually world dot frame count, oh, world dot frame rate, okay, world dot till small frame rate, so guys, after this world dot frame rate / 60, so you have to again create an if condition, and then we have to say that if the score reaches 200, so the this sound has to come, and the next thing we have to create an if condition, and then we are giving the width for the ground, and then we are making the Trex to jump when space is pressed over here. So today's output, today's code is this much, and the output will be like this. So only the output will be like this. In the part 2 video, I'll finish this Trex game. So why did I not show you this too, right? Is that So the video length will become more. For that I just explained this at last. Okay, so in the part 2 I'll complete the Trex game. Today's code is this much and the output of today is only this score, and in the next video we are going to place Trex ground and everything. So we are completing the game in the next video. So until then, please take care and like, share and subscribe my video guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.